Hey guys, it's Mike at Ophelia's Bluefine Farm, and baby Noelle is here. What a treat! And she's ready to pick some stuff. You want to go pick something?
I'm ready to pick something.
What do you think, Noelle? How does it taste?
Good.
Okay, Noelle, tell me how they taste.
They taste very good.
Very good.
Thanks for watching.